In this video, I'm going to teach you how to factory reset your Oculus Quest 2 and keep your data. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, performing a factory reset on your Oculus Quest 2 ensues the deletion of all of your data. So you can perform a factory reset by going over to the USB update mode by pressing and holding the power button and the volume down button while booting up the headset. And then you will find factory reset, and you can clearly see that they stated here, this erases all data. So if you want to keep your data, you must back it up before performing a factory reset. The most convenient way to do this is to plug a USB cable into the headset and then connect it to a PC or laptop. With this done, you can transfer the files from the Oculus Quest headset into the PC. And after you are done with the factory reset, you can transfer them from the PC into the Oculus Quest. So you will always lose your data when you perform a factory reset, but as long as you have it backed up, then you will be able to access it later. So connect it using a USB cable and access the internal storage of the Quest headset. Inside you will find all of your media, all of your game saves, files, videos, and so on. So just drag it into your PC. Once it is all saved into your PC, you can proceed with the factory reset. So with the headset turned off, press and hold the power button, the volume down button, use the volume up and down to browse through all of these options and select factory reset. Once you go into factory reset, you will be able to initiate the process here. You can also do this through the mobile app when you go into the menu, access devices, go into the MetaQuest 2 options, scroll down, headset settings, advanced settings, and finally factory reset. After you are done with this, connect the Quest 2 headset to the PC or laptop where you backed up the files and drag them into the headset storage. I hope I was able to help you on how to factory reset Oculus Quest 2 and keep data. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.